It is great to see you all again at Wealthy Coin. The day to download Shiba Inu coins is tomorrow. Shib Eternity breaking news. It appears like Shiba Inu has some plans for Shiba Eternity download day as it prepares for the full launch of its Shiba Inu game. The Vietnam launch of Shiba Eternity test has taken place. The complete launch of the game is something that Shib holders are anxiously anticipating. There may be some players who are able to bypass this Vietnam location wall. The developers of Shib had to quadruple the capacity of their servers in order to meet the demand. The video will cover tomorrow's Shiba Inu coin download day. Huge news about the Shiba Eternal. If you want to see more videos like this one, where we predict and analyze the prices of Shiba Inu, be sure to subscribe to our channel, share the video, and give us a thumbs up. We will start the video without further ado. On Tuesday, major cryptocurrency tokens had mixed trading as investors were unsettled by the U.S. Federal Reserve's aggressive stance on inflation. In the week after the U.S. FOMC minutes were released, most cryptocurrency tokens saw a 20% decline, indicating that the bank will likely keep its current interest rate prescription of 75 basis points for inflation. Cardano and Ethereum were against Shiba Inu's 2% decrease in trade, even if the two cryptocurrencies had identical profits. The total market capitalization of all cryptocurrencies was practically steady over the past 24 hours, trading slightly higher at $1.02 trillion. Nonetheless, overall trade volume surged by more than 18%, approaching $70.62 billion USD. The price of Shiba Inu is displaying highly negative technical indicators, which raises the possibility that a reversal of fortunes is about to occur. After a five-wave surge into the bullish targets happened, the technical analysis indicated that an imminent liquidation could happen. The Shiba Inu price jumped 35% in a single day on August 15th, breaking both bullish goals. The Relative Strength Index found that the Shiba Inu price was more overbought than it had been in February of 2022, when it had traded at a price nearly 150% higher, at $0.003261 USD, due to the buyer's surge. At the peak of the price increase, there was an inflow of bearish volume and a classic bearish ramping pattern which occurred alongside the RSI bearish divergence. The current market value of Shiba Inu is 0.000000Z. There have been a lot of negative signs, but the media keeps making headlines about how Shiba Inu tokens are being burned from the overall supply. In the summer of 2022, 400 trillion tokens were destroyed, according to the Economic Times. Some Twitter accounts have weighed in on the debate by offering theoretical models that speculate on the effects of burning SHIB tokens on the Shiba Inu pricing and ecosystem as a whole. A well-known Twitter user and supporter of SHIB at SHIBBPK claims that the destruction of 111 trillion tokens may occur over the next few months. The Shiba Inu price has not shown a strong correlation with the burn token idea, even when the market sentiment is hopeful. From a technical perspective, the SHIB price has failed to consistently increase, and the recent 35% surge might have been too much for the bulls to handle. The most current pump and dump scenario throws off the prior technical predictions, which had predicted a further 25% drop. For the immediate future, bearish objectives of interest are located around the liquidity levels of 0.000000 and 970. A break and closure above 0.000017 would render the bearish thesis invalid. The current Shiba Inu price is 52% higher than this level, thus a break by the bulls would trigger a bullish scenario with a target of $0.001978. Even though the coin from Eiffel is no longer fashionable, the Shiba Inu price market is still optimistic. The technical indicators for Shiba Inu's price are very pessimistic. Strange that something like a sweep of the lows would be happening right now. A five-wave impulse into the bullish goals was indicated by the technicals, which might lead to a quick liquidation. Since its inception in 2020, Shiba Inu, one of the leading meme currencies, has experienced tremendous gains. After a stellar run, Shiba Inu has risen to prominence as a leading cryptocurrency, placing it in the top 20 by market capitalization. Due to a price surge of more than 48 million%, everybody who invested $2 in SHIB in January 2021 became a millionaire by November. Considering that SHIB is still less than 65% off its previous highs, all things considered, it is the best cryptocurrency to buy in for 2022. Even though Dogecoin had a strong start to 2021, Shiba Inu quickly became the most popular meme coin by the year's end. When Dogecoin's price stayed put for months, the initial excitement died off and SHIB outperformed the competition in the indexes. As a result, Shiba Inu's popularity skyrocketed, drawing in a slew of new investors. Just 1 year after its launch, Shiba Inu has more Twitter followers than Dogecoin. The Dogecoin murderer had 762 followers compared to Dogecoin's 3,439,746, yet Dogecoin still had 3.1 million followers on Twitter. At this time, Shib has 2,220 more Twitter followers than Dogecoin does. In February 2021, Shib token became a Twitter user, while Dogecoin became a Twitter user in December 2013. According to its tagline, Shib aimed to become the Dogecoin killer by eschewing everything that Doge stood for. Last year, Shib briefly overtook Doge in terms of market cap, causing it to fall out of the top 10 cryptocurrency rankings. Still, Shib has dropped to 12th place and Doge has regained its status as the 10th biggest cryptocurrency. According to Sentiment, an on-chain data analysis platform, significant Shib and Doge holders liquidated their holdings this week in anticipation of the market downturn. Concurrent with the Shiba Inu price peak on August 14th and the Dogecoin price peak on August 16th, large-scale Shib and Doge transactions totaling $100,000 or more were monitored, indicating that both coins were about to undergo price corrections. According to Sentiment, the whale's massive transactions on each network served as a precursor to the optimal times to take profits, as is often the case. A number of individual Shiba Inu owners have responded to the news. For this reason, I contend that whales oppose the real ship army. Whales control the price in their entirety. As soon as it rises, even by a small amount, the whales profit and bring it down even farther. We will have to work for years to lose another zero unless we get another massive barn. A second observer brought up the fact that there are a whopping 1 quadrillion Shiba Inu. Given the availability of such large numbers, do you genuinely believe Shib will achieve much? This is an honest inquiry. I've had some success with Shiba in the short term, but I've never been able to maintain much of it. Shiba Inu whales underwent a 40% price pump from August 7th to the 13th before this crash. The Shiba Inu price has dropped 21% this week, and it seems like they've turned a profit. It appears like Shiba Inu has some plans for Shiba Eternity download day as it prepares for the full launch of its Shiba Inu game. Players in Vietnam can already participate in the Shiba Eternity test, and everyone is counting down the days until the game's official release. There may be some players who are able to bypass this Vietnam location wall. The development team behind Shib had to quadruple the capacity of the servers as a way to celebrate Shiba Eternity's full launch. Shib is organizing download day to give the game a boost right when it launches. The idea was originally proposed by project lead Shidoshi Kusama on the official Shib Discord server. He announced that they would be holding a download day and encouraging everyone to get the game. If they never part with even 1 cent, we can still get things rolling. Satoshi did not go into further detail, but he did promise that more information will be forthcoming. Whether it's through sales, a social media frenzy, or some other strategy, Shib is going all out to get its 1.2 million holders to download Shiba Eternity. Satoshi did said he hopes the game hits 1 million downloads at some point. According to Shidoshi Kusama's most recent announcements, the release of Shiba Eternity could be in September, which would coincide with this download day. Outside of Shiba Eternity, there's plenty of Shiba Inu news from other Shib ventures. Most of the attention continues on Shibarium, with the Shibarium beta perhaps coming in August. Shib holders could soon receive new information or features for the Shiba Inu metaverse after the team modified their Discord server to incorporate channels based on the metaverse map. As the attention for many remains on the Shiba Inu game and Shibarium, several other projects are still progressing beneath the radar, included the metaverse, which has sold approximately 20,000 pieces of land. We are finished for the day. Don't forget to smash the thumbs up, share and subscribe to the channel to see our latest material.